All right, everyone. So the last time I did my little outdoor thing, I put up these hanging lights. But today I'm going to be putting in this misting kit from mistcooling.com, and I will have a link in the description below. And basically it's going to put little misting water jets all the way around, which should create a nice cooling effect when it is hot as hell outside, so you can actually enjoy being outside. So let's get this open, let's see what all is in here, and let's see what we need to do to get it all set up. There's not a whole lot to it, looks like, which may be a good thing. This looks like we have like little mister nozzles here. So it has a small little hole there, and it has a little O-ring on the end to keep it from leaking. And then it looks like we have some clips to secure them, and this one had really good reviews. The rest of the ones I was looking at, people will say that they will leak, but this one had really good reviews. And I think the reason why is because on this, the ends are already connected, and it seemed like on the other ones, like the nozzle just kind of pushed in, and these are already connected and they're threaded. And I'm going to install all of these nozzles into these ports. All right, so all of the nozzles are installed and hand tight. So now let's hook it up and let's see how it sprays. Oh, it's a very fine mist. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna be nice. So basically, I'm gonna take like these little bread ties, and I'm going to attach them the exact same way. I'm just going to run it around and just bread tie them every so often until it goes all the way around. So I'll set you up somewhere, do a time lapse. All right, and I have it all installed. I really wish that the line was black or dark brown, some other color than tan, so that it will match in. It will work a little bit better, but you know, hey, whatever. I'm probably gonna take these and do a little bit of like wire management, where take the clips, put it over, and then just kind of secure it to the house. And I'll probably use those same clips to do the wire that runs the lights as well. So I'll probably take a couple of those and secure that so it looks halfway decent back here on the wall. But I know what y'all want to see, because it's what I want to see, and it's how well that this works. Let's give it some water. I need to adjust that nozzle out. So I need to adjust a couple of these. So these nozzles, you can position the nozzles. So just take it and turn it. So like if it's not aiming, like you want it to come out a little bit more, just take it and shoot it out. So I think I'm gonna have most of these pointed out instead of like down. Like this one, have it pointed out a little bit. This one is shooting up, so see if we can face that one down. Yeah. So it's all up and working. I don't see any leaks, just mist. So if y'all looking into doing something like this on your patio or your outside space or wherever, I think this is probably one of the better ones that you can buy. Like I said, the rest of them I was looking at, they were all saying that, you know, it leaked around the water nozzles and stuff like that. And with this one screwing in with the O-ring and everything's already attached, I think this is going to be a much better solution for your outdoor cooling needs. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this, and if y'all looking for it, I say go get it. I will have a link in the description below to Amazon. If I find this same product on eBay, I'll have an eBay link there as well. But so far, I recommend it. I think it is awesome, and it's very refreshing and cooling. So if you need one, or if you want one, you think it's beneficial, go get it. Peace.